taking this door frame out. We're going to be popping in a new door times, I don't know, a bunch of them. So we got a bunch of doors in here. We're painting the ceiling. We're painting the room. All new doors and trim. Plus all the doors and trim in the hallway. So we're trying to catch all. And here's the after. So we did every door in here. Painted all the doors, the jambs, 2 coats. Gave her an accent wall. This is Silver City is the color of that. Painted the ceiling. Did all the baseboard in the room. And then we knocked out this hallway, baseboard doors, trim, the whole 9. So it's like a totally different house now. So we appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. Took me a time about 4 weeks in here to knock out this bathroom, bedroom, and everything. But it's nice. They love it. Careful here, I don't want to shoot myself. Oh yeah, I got water all over my phone. But that's it, you guys. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. And we'll see y'all back real soon on the next one.